evening, America, and welcome to tonight's live double eviction episode. We are about to see an entire week's worth of gameplay in the next hour, as not one, but two house guests are evicted. That means we're 2 steps closer to this turd of a season being over. I'm so excited I could just sing! Hit it!
Minds have changed. Rumors spread and the house guests talk. The Staten Islanders got a shock when they landed up on the block. There's no time for the nominees to campaign. Instead of pulling one off the block, Cliff Hog left noms the same. In olden days, young Tommy Bracco would never be on the block, oh, but on a double, anything goes. Good players too, who can control the herds using their tears and their own words like a pro. They gotta go. Christy is mad today, and she's sad today, and she'll cry today, and she'll lie today. No surprise today that she'll say bye today when Julie reads the votes. So though we're left with 2 showmancers, you know how Nicole will answer. It's adios, and Christy goes. It's adios, and Christy goes. I'm going home. I'm going home.
Whoa! Is the double eviction over already? I think I blacked out. Oh well. Good night, America. This is Julie Chen Moonbot signing off.